Morning, Mr. Velez. How are you?
Great, how are you?
Good. So you're 6 weeks out from your Jiffy Hip,
I am.
and how's your hip been doing?
Great.
Good. How long were you in the hospital after surgery?
Just a one day, overnight.
Overnight, went home the next day?
Mm-hmm.
And when you got home, how long did you use a cane or a walker?
Probably for the first week.
Okay.
That was it.
So after a week, you're off the cane and off the walker.
Mm-hmm.
And you've been in physical therapy?
Yes, the whole time.
Okay. How many days a week are you going to therapy?
I was going 2 days a week for the first 3.5 weeks, and then 1 day a week after that.
Good. And have you been driving?
Yes,
When did you start driving?
about 3 weeks out.
Okay. Was that difficult for you to drive or?
Getting in and out of the car was more difficult than actual driving.
Good. How is driving now?
Easy.
Great.
Mm-hmm.
And are you taking much pain medicine?
No.
No. When did you stop taking pain medicine?
About 3 weeks to 3.5 weeks out. I stopped totally taking it, but I do need it at night every now and then.
Okay. What do you usually take at night for pain?
Tylenol PM.
Excellent. Okay. Well, let's see how you're walking.